I'm in the 2026 Model Y, and this is a really good improvement they did with this car where the glass is thicker and the seal is done really well where you just don't get that whistling noise. But if you notice, for whatever reason, your car, regardless of whether it's a Model Y or the Model 3, has that whistling noise, you may notice that there's a gap. It just doesn't close all the way. And if you want to correct it, you can press this little icon here and press this one, software, and then press this one, Model Y, for I think it's about 15 seconds. It's going to allow you to get into a service mode where you can do some recalibration. You let go and this screen pops up, and then you want to type in the word service. Press OK. It's going to warn you to not change much at all. I would only do this calibration thing. I wouldn't press anything else because it could cause your car not even to run anymore. So don't explore here too much. Just get into the system. And then we want to look under this one that says closures. Press that. And then you can work on how the front and the trunk close, but we're interested in windows, so we go windows, and hopefully you've isolated which window is causing trouble, and then just press calibrate. And when you press calibrate, let's say it's your driver's side window, you press calibrate, it'll go up and down a few times so that it can adjust and make sure that it's closing all the way. It does it all by itself. Once you're all done and it's finished its calibration, just press this one again, little car icon, and then you come up to this one. It'll say exit service mode. Press that one, and then you're out of there, and you'll have your windows calibrated again. Hopefully that'll help you guys.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. Really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with a
Tesla repair.
Thanks again for watching our video.